We've got a very cool square body here. It's an 87 Chevy C10 short box riding on air. This thing will slam down to the ground. It has all high-end suspension upgrades for the air ride. The big Willwood disc brake kit. Under the hood's a 6.3, LS3 6.2, making almost 500 horsepower. It's got air conditioning, the overdrive trans, custom interior, all sorts of goodness with this truck right here, which we'll tell you all about in just a minute. You can also go to volocars.com where you can see over 200 classic cars, all for sale, each one with a price tag and a monthly payment, including this truck right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this low life. I just love that. I noticed that, like, that is so cool. Anyway, this light blue I also just noticed is metal flake. When you look up on it, little sparkles in the paint. It's laid out evenly. It's smooth. It's glossy. Lines up all nice and square and flush. Here's a tiny little nick right there. It's all nice and glossy. The side is like a gray matte finish with a blue and silver pinstripe to break it up. Clean all the way down here at the bottom. Boy, I'm almost on the floor. Real solid truck to begin with. Getting too far ahead here. Tailgate's all in great shape. This is all nice and straight, clean metal. They filled in the stake pockets. You can kind of see an outline where it used to be just faintly right there, but it's all smoothed out. This is all nice and clean. Again, all the way to the bottom. The pinch welds down here, all clean. The cab corners clean. Door shuts real nice. The roof's in excellent shape. All nice and clean. Body, beautiful paint, all looking really sharp. All the glass looks to be in really nice shape. Stainless mirrors, original door handles have a little bit of wear on them. The rain gutters look new. These look like they're made from billet. Up front here, the bumper's re-chromed. The grille looks to be like it's probably been replaced. That's all in really nice shape. The Chevrolet emblem there. Got a little front spoiler down there too, which is kind of cool. Sitting on 22-inch US mag wheels. That's a nice looking wheel, and I love how they've got the gray to match the side of the truck. They're wrapped in Nitto tires, all four of them. Good looking truck. Back bumper's replated. This anodized Chevrolet panel looks to be original and good shape. They relocated the gas filler. It's back here. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more cool stuff to show you. I always say I like the nostalgia of the old clingy metal tailgates. This one here does have something I like too. It's a soft open. So it has like a little strut so it opens softly with cables. So anyway, you might have noticed the whole bed floor is lifted. That's so this truck can be slammed down to the ground. So they raised the bed floor. It's all color matched in bed liner material, real tough and durable. That's where the gas filler is relocated. And I want to point this out. It's a really fancy GSI air ride suspension. I mean, this has a whole back half frame unit, a new cross member up front. It's heavy duty stuff. Yeah, these are quite popular, these slam down square body trucks. There's a big market for these. Glass looks good. Jambs are painted nice. Weather strips are replaced. Looks like original door panels, but it is fitted with the plaid inserts that match the seats. You'll notice power windows and power lock switches as well. And the little lock knobs are little pistons. Pretty cool up on top there. So the dash is real nice. All new digital gauges, including a tachometer. About 1,200 miles, I believe, on the truck since it's been built. Dash pad's real nice. The vents are original. It is upgraded with a vintage air electric controls. It has an Alpine stereo. Here's the control system for the air ride. Obviously, that closes up. But there you go there. Another low life emblem. I still think that's cool. You got custom kick panels with these speakers built into it. Carpets look nice. The seat is great. I love the colors of this truck. I love the seat. Very comfortable. It's, modern custom aftermarket seats with the plaid. Very cool. Um, the seat, here we go. You got subwoofers back here, two 10-inch woofers. Yeah, shoulder belts. Yeah, cloth headliner. It's drooping down. The glue must have come undone, but it's all in good shape. Visors look nice. It's a microphone for the stereo. Then we got deluxe 3-spoke wheel and a tilt column, and all the knobs and levers are all matching. They're smooth levers. So pretty cool interior. It also has struts on the hood instead of hood hinges. So there's the LS3 motor, and it's not just any LS3. This thing's been built. The heads have been ported. It's a hot cam. It's a Holley Sniper fuel injection up on top. I like the pinstriping. I like the old school style valve covers that make it look like an older motor. And nice plug wire holders, custom stainless steel headers, smooth firewall. These are called slush guards. I'm still learning. It doesn't have the complete, covering everything. There's room here so when you slam the truck down, but at least it keeps the slop and slush from flying up in your engine compartment. So that's all custom. And look at the two AC lines neatly run over here. Then up front, this is all real nice. This looks like a custom panel to me. All blacked out components, the AC compressor, the alternator. We got power steering, Willwood master cylinder with power brakes. Take a peek at the suspension because you won't get another shot, but there's the GSI front suspension. Look how heavy duty and substantial that looks. Then we got big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. We got a hard pipe for the upper hose. The air intake goes over here. So yeah, nice looking engine compartment, kind of painted in that matte finish blue. Looks really sharp. Michael's going to show you how it runs.
All right, everybody, really cool frame off custom build here, an 87 C10 sitting on airbags. This thing will slam all the way down to the ground when you park if you want. Right now we have it adjusted kind of at its maximum, or near it, excuse me. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the way that it's handling all the bumps and everything like that. Not super bouncy at all, which is kind of stereotypical of the air ride suspension, but this one seems to work really nicely. Very impressive. Another thing that's impressive is the engine. We got a 6.2 liter LS3 making 495 horsepower. That should get you going down the road with no problems. Also I think it's a 6L80E, so I'm not sure about what type it is, but it's definitely an automatic overdrive transmission. So do some cruising on this one. Have some fun. Take it out on the highways. Take the long way to the cruise nights. Tilt column, power windows, power door locks. Really nice bench seat here too. It's kind of got more support on the sides here and then on the bottom as well. Keep you nestled in place real nice. Well, let's see what she's got. Alright guys, and just like that, up to speed with absolutely no problem. She's a performer, not just for show. This one's got the go with it as well. And then you got the turnkey reliability of a fuel injection system on top of that. I mean, what a great fun truck, something really different that's done super nice. And just does everything you want it to. See how she goes down the road here. Pretty good alignment all in all. Maybe just a little left, but I didn't set it up either, so. But just great, fantastic. Custom gauges, everything about it I really like. Come down and test drive it for yourself. We'll put it up on a lift for you if you want. You can hire a third-party inspector, whatever the case is. Spend as much time with it as you'd like. And maybe just start off by checking out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
Okay, so there's a lot going on underneath. I was showing you a little peek of the suspension, but it's heavy duty stuff. I've never seen this before, but it's all for the air ride. They specialize in the air ride suspensions. New cross member up front. You've seen the control arms. I mean, they're like right off of a tank. The rear half of the frame was actually cut off. It's a whole, from that company, it's a whole frame unit with a 4-link system. Has a Watts linkage in the middle. That's to keep it from twisting, keep it all centered. So bottom line, all premium, what is that called again? GSI air ride components. Now the system, the controls inside, it's a different company. It's all premium preset controls to operate the system. I wanted to mention there's no wiper motor on the firewall because they made it all smooth and clean on purpose. So there's no wipers. You put some Rain-X and you avoid the rain whenever possible. Nice custom dual exhaust with stainless mufflers. Has a custom tank back there, looks stainless, and it's also surrounded by some steel support, which probably help in a rear end collision, I would guess. It has a Willwood big brake kit on it. Big. Drilled and slotted rotors, 6 piston calipers up front, 4 piston in back. They're red. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It has rack and pinion steering up front too. It has a 6L80 overdrive automatic transmission. So great drivetrain, slam down square body. These are super popular. I got to stay with the times. I love the truck. I love the colors, but that's a big part of the reason I bought it. These are popular. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your truck delivered to your door, your low life. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.